What is al-i'rab? What is al-bina? This we've taught previously in the links placed above, and today we shall continue with them. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. You all are welcome back. Ma'akum akhukum Abu Jandal. With you is your brother Abu Jandal, and today we have another very important Arabic learning grammar topic for you, and this will help you in your speaking and writing skills, inshallah. Hope you have subscribed to our channel. If you have not, hit right now on the subscription button to be part of this large family. And as we've discussed previously about al-i'rab, declension, the changes that occur to Dhamma, Fatha, and Kisra in terms of nouns. And we said there are some nouns which carry Dhamma sometimes, some other time they change to Fatha, and some other time they change to Kisra. And we said there are some other nouns that these signs will come in the secondary forms. If you've not learned this, then click on the link above. Today I want to summarize the last three previous lessons so you could have a glimpse of what they all were about. And we have a table in front of us. This table will help in simplifying the topic of al-i'rab for us, inshallah. So let's look at the different forms of i'rab we have. You can see the table, it tries alamatul i'rab al-asliya wal far'iyya fil ism, the signs of declension, the signs of Dhamma, Fatha, Kisra, al-asliya, which are the primary, wal far'iyya, and those which are the secondary. We said there are two types of i'rab signs. The first is the primary signs, Dhamma, Fatha, Kisra, and the secondary, which are sometimes they come in form of replacement, Fatha replacing Kisra, or Kisra replacing Fatha, or Alif replacing Fatha, Ya replacing Kisra, and Wa replacing Dhamma. This we have learned previously, but this table is to summarize everything we have learned for us. We can see on this table, the first column writes al-halatul i'rabiyya, the condition of declension. And under this we see al-marfu'. Al-marfu', that is nominative, when the noun is in the nominal case, alamatu raf'i, and the sign under it, you can see the sign of showing that it is a nominative noun. Then we have al-mansub, the accusative noun, alamatu nasb, the sign of accusative. Then al-majrur, the genitive, alamatul jarri, the sign of genitive. So from this, we are going to see the words that are fit in the box. Then on above, we see al-amilu. What is that is responsible for these changes? Here we have al-ismu dhu alamatil i'rab al-asliya, the nouns which have the signs, the primary signs. Then we also have jam'ul mu'annath as-salim, the sound feminine plural. We have al-muthanna, the dual. We have jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim, the sound masculine plural. Then we have al-mamnu' min as-sarf, the dictate. And we have al-asma'ul khamsa, the 5 names. So now let's move on and see the words under each of these column and rows. We see under al-amilu, for marfu, we have the word ja'a, ja'a al-abna'u. Look at the sentence as it goes. Ja'a al-abna'u wal-banatu wal-walidani wal-aqrabuna wa Ibrahimu wa akhuhu. These words, they are words falling under the different categories we've listed above, and these words right away, they are in their nominative case. Let's have the first word. We have al-abna'u. Ja al-abna'u, the children, they came. The word al-abna'u, you can see the Dhamma that is representing the sign. So that Dhamma there, it is a sign of raf'u, and this is because this now has the original sign, the primary sign. While as for the word al-banatu, it also has Dhamma because the al-banatu, it is the plural form of the word bintun. So al-banatu will carry Dhamma also as a sign when it is in nominative case. Then wal-walidani, the word walidani, this is muthanna, the dual word for walidun. So walidani, the sign is what? Al-alif. This is al-alif. The alif there is what is showing that this word is a nominative word. Then next word is al-aqrabuna. This word is coming, al-aqrab is the singular form, al-aqrabuna is the plural. And this word al-aqrabuna, it is coming as what? Jam'u mudhakkar as-salim, sound masculine plural. So the sign that shows that this word is a nominative noun is the wa, which is there. Then we also have Ibrahimu. We all know that the word Ibrahimu is mamnu' min as-sarf. that is a deep tooth, a word which cannot carry Dummatan, Fatatan, Kisratan, and a word which will not carry Kisra. So the sign which shows that this word is a nominal noun is that it is carrying Dhamma in the nominative case. And the last word we have in the first row is Ahuhu. Ahuhu. We've said that the word Ahuhu, Ahu, the word Abu, the word Hamu, the word Fu, the word Zu, all these 5 words, they are called the 5 names Asma'ul Khamsa, and their signs are different because they carry secondary signs Wa, Alif, and Ya. And here the sign of its nominativeness is that it is carrying Dhamma because it is in the nominative case. So Ja'a Ahuhu. Moving to the second row, we have Al-Mansubu. Now, the same words which we have seen, what if these words are now in the accusative case, saying, let's say they are coming as the objects maf'ulun bih of the sentence. We have the word Ra'aytu. Ra'aytu says, I saw. Who? Al-Abna'a. So Al-Abna'a there is coming with Fatha because this now it is carrying the primary sign Fatha. Ra'aytul Abna'a. Not Abna'u again. I saw the children. Wal-banati. But when we come to the word al-banati, as we have learned previously, al-banati will not carry fatha. This is because this is jam'ul mu'annath salim, the sound feminine plural. So the sign which will represent the fatha will be the kisra. So when we have sound masculine feminine plurals, their signs for fatha will be kisra. The next word is al-walidaini, meaning ra'aytul walidaini. I also saw the 2 parents. So walidaini, the sign which will show that this word is coming in the accusative form as maf'ulun bihi is the ya that you see there. So the ya there is the sign that shows that this word is maf'ulun bihi. The next one is wal aqrabina, aqrabina. So since this word is jam'ul mudhakkar salim, sound masculine plural, the sign that will show when it is in the accusative case will be the ya. Then the word Ibrahima, you can see it is still fatha. Ra'aytu Ibrahima, I saw Ibrahim. So meaning deep tones, mamnu min as-sarf, al-asma'ul mamnu min as-sarf, such words whenever they appear, their sign of declension in the accusative case will be fatha. And the next word is wa akhahu, meaning ra'aytu akhahu, I saw his brother. So the word akhahu, you can see akhahu, the alif there is a sign which shows that this word is an accusative word, a maf'ulun bihi, object of the sentence. Going to the last column, we have al-majrur, meaning the word now that is coming in the case of genitive case, supposed to be carrying kisra. So we have salamtu ala, I greeted. The first one al-abna'i. You can see under it al-kisra. Kisra is a sign which shows that this word is coming after ala. So ala, whenever this type of words are appearing, they will carry the primary sign kisra. The next one is al-banati. You can see al-banati will also carry kisra. Then wal-walidaini, it will still carry ya. So words like this which are in their dual form will carry ya when they appear after a preposition. We have wal aqrabina. Aqrabina also, just like muslimina, whenever these words appear after prepositions, they will also carry ya. Wal Ibrahima, and Ibrahima, since this is the deep tooth, it will not carry kisra, therefore it should carry fatha as a replacement for kisra. So lastly we have ahihi. Ahihi from the word ahu. So now that it is coming after harful jar, it should carry ya. So you have salamtu ala ahihi, I greeted his brother. So this is a summary of what we've discussed when we're talking about alamatul i'rab al-asliya wal far'iyya, the signs of declension in the primary and the secondary form in terms of the nouns. Now we also have the summary for al-i'rab al-taqdiri, that is the latent declension, the latent signs, the hidden signs of declension that we have of i'rab. We have al-halatul i'rabiyya, we have al-marfu', we have al-mansub, al-majrur. Here we have al-amilu, the worker, what has effect. First we have ja as-sadiqi, my friend came. So the word sadiqi here will be coming as Dhamma to muqaddaro. The sign of declension is the Dhamma, which is hidden, because this word ja as-sadiqi, sadiqi is coming as fa'ilun, subject of the sentence. So the sign of i'rab will be Dhamma to muqaddaro, hidden Dhamma, because the Dhamma cannot be seen since this word is carrying al-mudaf ilayhi al-mutakallim. It is under the word that is being attached, possessed by the ya of the speaker. Just like kitabi, qalami. So sadiqi, my friend. When analyzing such word, you see that marfu'un wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dammatul muqaddara. MashaAllah. Under al-manqus, we have al-muhami. So you say ja al-muhami. That is the lawyer. The lawyer came. So here, the lawyer, al-muhami, the sign also is Dummatul Muqaddar. It is having a hidden Dumma. Then we have Al-Murtada. Al-Murtada is under Al-Maqsur. And Al-Maqsur words are words which end with Alifun Lazima, which ends with Alif. So we can see Al-Murtada. So here, to analyze it, you say Dummatul Muqaddar. It also has a hidden Dumma. Under Al-Mansub, we have Ra'aytu Sadiqi. I saw my friend. So Sadiqi here, we have Ra'aytu Sadiqiya. It will have the fatha there, Ra'aytu Sadiqiya. So you say Fathatun Muqaddara. It has a fatha which is what? Hidden. So Ra'aytu Sadiqi, sorry, the fatha will not show. It is Fathatun Muqaddara, fatha which is also hidden. So here we have Al-Muhamiya. This one, it will have Fathatun Dhahira, a plain fatha which shows. This is because Al-Muhami is under Al-Manqus. And al-manqus are words which have ya at the end of them, and before the ya there is a letter with kasra. So when they are in the accusative case, the maf'ulun bihi case, mansub case, they will carry fatha. So lastly, we have al-murtada. So al-murtada will also have fatha to muqaddara, hidden fatha. So under al-majrur, the genitive case, we have salamtu ala sadiqi. I greeted my friend. So sadiqi here is having kasratun muqaddara, a hidden kasra. Then al-muhami is also having kasratun muqaddara, and al-murtada is having kasratun muqaddara. This is a summary for the latent i'rab, for the latent hidden declension. If you want to watch the full video, you can click on the link above. Under here we have al-alamatul asliya, wal-far'iyya, wal-dhahira, wal-muqaddara. That is the signs for the primary and secondary, plain and latent i'rab. The signs that shows when a noun is carrying the primary sign, and what will show when the noun is carrying the secondary sign, and how the words which have hidden signs and the words which have plain signs. Under al-marfu, we have hadar al-abna'u wal-banatu wal-walidani wal-aqrabuna wa ibrahimu wa akhuhu wa sadiqi al-muhami al-mustafa. You can see all of these words, they are coming as the subject of the sentence, and therefore they carry dhamma, except for few of them, like what? Walidani. Here the sign of alif is a sign of that shows that this word is a subject, and al-aqrabuna, the sign of wa, Ibrahim, the sign of dhamma, akhuhu, the sign of wa, sadiqi, the sign is hidden, muqaddar. Al-Muhami, the sign is also hidden. Al-Mustafa, the sign is hidden. Under Al-Mansub, we have Da'autul Abna'a wal-Banati wal-Walidain wal-Aqrabina wa Ibrahim wa Akhahu wa Sadiqi al-Muhami al-Murtada. So you can see, I called the children. So Al-Abna'a, here the word you carry fatha. As for Al-Banati, as we have said earlier, it will carry kisra. Wal walidaini, it will carry what? Here as a sign. Wal aqrabina, ya is still the sign. Wa Ibrahima, fatha is the sign. Wa akhahu, here alif is the sign. Wa sadiqi, here the sign is hidden. Then al muhamiya, here the sign is written. Al murtada, the sign here will be hidden. Now we have under al-majrur, under the genitive, we have ittasaltu bil abna. I connected with the children. So bil abna'i, the sign is kisra. Wal banati, to the kisra. Wal walidaini, the sign is ya. Wal aqrabina, the sign is ya. Wa Ibrahima, since this is a dictate, the sign is fatha. Wa akhihi, the sign is ya. Wa sadiqi, the sign is hidden. Al muhami, the sign is hidden. Al mustafa, the sign is hidden. Now we have small exercise to go through, so you know if you actually learned this topic very well. So you have to solve this by yourself, but I'll help you to solve it. You can compare your answers with mine. Let's go on. We have number one, أين المعربة والمبنية فيما يأتي. Indicates the declinable nouns and also the non-declinable nouns. Indicate the nouns whose endings will change and those whose endings will not change in this words. The first word is kitabun. Kitabun is under al-mu'rab. Hadha is under al-mabni. Hamidun under al-mu'rab. Masajidu under al-mu'rab. Huwa under al-mabni. Ana under al-mabni. Sayyaratun under al-mu'rab. Alladhi under al-mabni. Amsi under al-mabni. Al-jami'atu, this is under al-mabni. The word muslimani, mu'rab. Al-jami'at is under mu'rab. Muslimani, mu'rab. Muslimat, mu'rab. Hadhani, this is under mu'rab. Al-ana, under mabni. Al-latani, under mu'rab. Man, under mabni. Allahu, under mu'rab. Arba'ata ashara, under mabni. Then arba'atun, this is under mu'rab. Then amin, under mabni. You can see all of these words, we've been able to simplify them into those ones whose endings can change and the mabni whose endings will not change. Number two, we have ma alamatul i'rab al-asliya fil ism. What are the signs of declension in noun? We say al-i'rab al-asliya, the primary signs of declension are ad-dumma wal-fatha wal-kisra. Al-alamatul i'rab al-asliya fil ism ad-dummatu wal-fathatu wal-kisra. Number three, we have ma alamatul i'rab al-far'iyya fi. What are the signs of declension, the secondary signs of declension in the following? Number one, we have al-asma'ul khamsa, the 5 names. We say al-alamatul i'rab al-far'iyya fi al-asma'il khamsa hiya al-alif wal-wa wal-ya. Number two, we have fi jam' wa jam' al-mudhakkar as-salim. That is in what? Jam' al-mudhakkar as-salim, sound masculine plural. You say that these are al-alif wal-wa wal-ya. These are the signs. Wal-muthanna, and in dual, we say the signs are al-alif wal-ya. MashaAllah. Number four, we have ma alamatul jabri fil mamnu' min as-sarf. What is the sign of genitiveness in deep throats? We know deep throats are words whose endings cannot take tanween or they will not take kisra. So the sign for kisra there is what? Fatha, al-fatha. You say alamatul jabri fil mamnu' min as-sarf, al-fatha. Ma alamatul nasbi fil jam' al-mu'annas as-salim. What is the sign of accreditiveness in the sound feminine plural? You say alamatun nasb fi jam' salim fi jam' al-muannath as-salim al-kisra. MashaAllah. Number 6, we have hati mithalan lil maksur waj'alhu fi 3 jumal ala an yakuna marfu'an fi al-ula wa mansuban fi al-thaniya wa majruran fi al-thalitha. Bring 3 words, 3 examples for maksur word. We have learned maksur words, and make these three words, form them into sentences so that they will appear in the first in the nominative case marfu, in the second in the mansub accusative case, and in the third in the genitive case majrur. So the words we can bring, let's bring for al-maksur. First of all, let's bring the word Mustafa. Let's bring the word, okay, mithal, we're to bring just one word. The word we're going to use is Mustafa. So to bring it in the first case marfu, we say ja al-Mustafa. The al-Mustafa came. Number 2, we say ra'aytul Mustafa. I saw al-Mustafa. And lastly, marartu bil Mustafa. I passed by Mustafa. You can see. Number 7, we have hati mithalan lil manqus al-thabit diya wa adkhilhu fi 3 jumal ala an yakuna marfu'an fi al-ula wa mansuban fi al-thaniya wa majruran fi al-thalitha. Bring an example for al-manqus. Al-manqus is a word which ends with ya, and this ya is preceded by a letter with alif, with kasra, and make this word into 3 sentences. Each one, the first one being in the marfu, and the second one mansub, and the third one majrur. The word we can use them al-jani. I can say hadar al-jani, the criminal appeared. Then I will say darabtu al-janiya, I beat the criminal. Then I say qultu lil-jani, I said to the criminal. You can see. Number 8, we have hati mithalan lil manqus al-mahzuf al-ya. Bring an example for al-manqus, word which ends with ya, but here the ya should be omitted. So, and make these sentences to come in the marfu, mansub, and manqus. The word let's still use the word janin. So now it will be janin. You will no longer put ya, janin. I can say I can say dakhala janin, a criminal entered. I can say ramaytu janan, that is ramaytu janin, that is I stoned a criminal. And I can say sallamtu ala janin, I greeted a criminal. So number 9, we have hati mithalan lilmudaf ila ya al-mutakallim. Bring an example for a word which is attached to the ya of the speaker. وأدخله في ثلاث جمل, and this example make it into 3 sentences. The first one في المرفوع, the second one in mansub, and the third one in majrur. What can I can say? I can use the word abi, my father. Okay, let's not use this word. Let me use the word ummi, my mother. Ummi. First, I will say ja'at ummi, my mother came. The second, I will say ra'aytu ummi, I saw my mother. And lastly, I say salamtu ala ummi, I greeted my mother. Number 10, we have a'rib ma tahtahu khattun. We are to analyze this following which have dash under them. Yuhibbullahu al-muttaqin. The word Allah there is fa'ilun marfu' wa alamatu raf'ihi ad-dammatu adh-dhahira. Then the word al-muttaqina is maf'ulun bihi mansub wa alamatu nasbihi al-ya. خلق الله السماوات والأرض. السماوات here is مفعول به منصوب وعلامة نصبه الكسر لأنها جمع مؤنث السالم. The second is الأرض, we say مفعول به منصوب وعلامة نصبه الفتحة. افتح فاك, the word فاك here is مفعول به منصوب وعلامة نصبه الألف. Then أين سيارة أبيك, the word أبيك. You say, okay, faka, we have not finished it. Then the ka there, we know how to analyze it. Then the word abika, you say abi, that is mudaf on ilayhi, majrur wa alamatu jarrihi aliyah. Then hafiz to surataini, I'm right, 2 surahs. Surataini maf'ulun bihi mansub wa alamatu nasbihi yaliyah. Then a'rif qadiya Makkah, I know the judge of Makkah. The word qadiya is maf'ulun bihi mansub wa alamatu nasbihi al-fatha. Then Makkata is mudafun ilayhi mansub wa alamatu mudafun ilayhi majrur wa alamatu jarrihi al-fatha li'annaha mamnu min as-sarf. Then kharaja al-jarha min al-mustashfa. The one who is injured went out of the hospital. So al-jarha here is fa'ilun marfu' wa alamatu raf'ihi al-dammatul muqaddara. Al-mustashfa is ismun majrur wa alamatu jarrihi al-kasratul muqaddara. Akhadha sadiqi kitabi min hakibati. Sadiqi is fa'ilun marfu' wa alamatu raf'ihi dammatul muqaddara. Kitabi maf'ulun bihi mansub wa alamatu nasbihi al-fathatul muqaddara. Then hakibati, that is ismun majrur wa alamatu jarrihi الكسرة المقدرة. اشتريت هذا ب15 ريالا. اشتريت هذا, that's خمسة there is مجرور وعلامة جره الفتحة لأن you say اسم مبني 15 مبني الأعداد المركبة مبني على الفتحة. Both of them are built upon fatha to juz'ain in the both side. Then ana muhamin, the word muhamin is fa'ilun, ana muhamin, sorry, khabarun marfu' wa alamatu raf'ihi al-kisra. MashaAllah. With this, we come to the end of this lesson. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us better understanding. When we come back, we shall continue with the remaining part of the first lesson of Durus al-Lugha, lesson 1 of book 3, inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum.